Hi everybody, today I'm gonna share a lot of secrets with you how to stay beautiful and young after 45, and of course I create a beautiful perfect look for summer. I'm gonna use this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Christian Dior, and this is a very tricky palette. Yes, I will swatch, I will share with you step by step how I create this beautiful look, but also I have for you amazing product which one will help you to minimize your pores. Yes, I found the best powder ever. I already know this formula a little bit sheer, and I have a secret weapon. I have Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna put on my hand. I'm gonna apply a little bit this product on my hand, and then I will swatch for you because I really want you to see color. And by the way, I will use this primer on my eyelid too. I'm very excited to see this yellow color and of course this beautiful bronze. Let's start with yellow color. Wow! I have a two color for you, and one it's really soft yellow and another beautiful gold bronzy color. I really want to see this bright orange color. Now we have with you orange color, and these colors, it looks like more iridescent. I can see pink, I can see gold, I can see orange. It's very unusual color. Now I want to see this beautiful bronze, deep bronze color. Wow, it is pretty, it is rich, it's the darkest color in this palette. And now let's try this color. Wow, and look at this last color. This is actually my favorite bronze. It's have little bit pinky, peachy shift, gorgeous. Wow, beautiful eyeshadow, but not much pigment, $70. I feel Dior little bit overcharges, but I love Dior. I used to work for Dior. Let's play. Okay, before eyeshadow, let me put little bit highlighter, foundation, concealer. I need to look good for you, right? I already have skincare, but I still feel I need a little bit more moisture, more hydration, and I want my makeup stay all day long. Yes, this is one of my favorite products from Lancome, and this is its Fix It. This is setting mist. Why I like this? Because my skin sensitive, extremely sensitive, and this product, don't have any fragrance. Second item, which one I'm gonna use? This is its Forever Glow Skin Filter. This is not your foundation. This is its very unique product. It's not, I will say, unique, sorry, it's multiple purpose product. You can use before foundation, you can mix with foundation, you can put on top foundation. I love this product, will even my skin and give me nice beautiful glow, and my color it's too. Look at this, look at where magic begin. Oh! Wow, look at this glow, and I love this product. Again, it's Forever Glow Star Filter. Not just give me a glow, it's also even my skin. Now let's put little bit foundation. We're gonna use Forever Glow 15 SPF, medium to full coverage, really glowing, very good hydrating foundation. I like to use my hand. I apply foundation on my hand. Then I like to use my beauty blender and just little bit right here on my cheek, because I have here discoloration, pigmentation, and this is where I really want to have my coverage. Now I'm using Christian Dior concealer, and I applied a little bit more concealer because I feel I have today lots of darkness under my eyes, and it's Forever Skin Corrector. Again, concealer. This is its concealer buildable. You want little bit, you apply little. You want more, you apply more, and will give you a coverage which one you want. Concealer foundation is done, and now I need to take care of my large pores. And yes, I discovered one of the best powder to minimize pores. Ta-da! Okay, yes, I know it's very pretty. I know it's very cute. It's brand's Fluorescence. I love this brand. They have beautiful, first of all, packaging. Look at this beautiful package. It's to die. But products, again, amazing. This is its powder, breathable press powder number 02. I will list it below. Again, look at how gorgeous, beautiful packaging. But this is, and I'm gonna use a puff. This is the best powder to minimize your pore, and I actually like to use this under my eyes too. Let me show you this. I'm coming very close to the camera because you will see this magic. It's gonna happen on front of camera. I don't know if I even say correct in English, but let me just show you. Yes, I have very large pores, but look at this. Look at how powder, first of all, it looks invisible, and look at how minimize this powder my pores. It's insane. Look at right here and look at right here, right? It's a huge difference. Unbelievable. No more pores on my nose. Again, look at this side and look at this side. You can see I have lots of large pores. Let's put little bit eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay. It has little bit color, but not much. I apply eyeshadow primer on entire my eyelid, and this is its foundation brush, and I really like for my primer. And now let's use this Coral Flame Eyeshadow Palette. First color, we're gonna use this beautiful yellow color. It's not too bright. This is why I apply eyeshadow primer, because eyeshadow primer will give us little bit more color brighter, and eyeshadow gonna stay all day long. Big blending brush, and I applying this eyeshadow on my lower lid. Wow, look at this pigment, right? It's all because we use with you primer. First color, it's done, and it's a very beautiful yellow, soft, bright color. Now I'm gonna use big blending brush from MAC 224C, and we're gonna use this color, and this color will be my middle color. And I'm gonna apply above this yellow color. Wow, look at this second color. It's lift my eyes, it's little bit give me a pop, and I will say I am ready for summer. I have only 2 colors, and I hope my application it's very easy. You understand exactly where I apply my color. Again, on my low lid I apply my yellow color, and above this is suckle area I apply this beautiful, I will say a goldy rosy eyeshadow. But now I have a small tiny brush, and this is my favorite brush from North. We're gonna use this orange color, and I actually kind of put in lots of eyeshadow on this small tiny brush. Because it's summer, I want color a little bit look vibrant, little bit pop. I'm gonna use again satin mist from Lancome, and I apply it on entire my face and eyes. And now we're gonna use this bright orange color, and I'm gonna apply right here on the corner. Color will look a little bit more intense, and I want this pop. Wow, I love this orange, give me nice little bit pop. We're almost done. Yeah, it's a very quick application. Now I have a small flat brush, and we're gonna use this darker color in this palette, and I'm gonna apply right here on my corner of my eyes, little bit close to my lashes, and I pushing this color little bit up. Let's make my eyes a little bit bigger. I'm gonna apply the same color, this darker color underneath. And now fun not yet end. I'm gonna use beautiful waterproof green eyeliner from Christian Dior. And if you have a fun with me, please give me a like, subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream, but I really appreciate your help. If you're gonna give me a like, YouTube will share my video with more people. I'm gonna apply this eyeliner very close to my lashes, and all what I do, I just press. Wow, I love this green color. It's very hard to find color like this, but Dior got you. Before mascara and primer, I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna use this yellow color. I wanna add a little bit more right here in the center. And now it's primer and mascara from Christian Dior, and we're done with my eyes. Wow, I love my eyes. Look at these eyelashes. It's so pretty, and I even in love right now with this eyeshadow palette. When I purchase, I'm like, I'm not sure, but I teach you how to use this eyeshadow palette, and I prove you it's a gorgeous palette, right? But now I feel a little bit pale. Sorry, Dior, I'm gonna cheat on you right now. I used to work for Dior for many years ago. We're gonna use this amazing face palette from Dior, and I really like. Yes, it is expensive, but girls, you know what? Expensive, not expensive for Chanel or Dior, because we have here blush, we have here bronze, and we have with you powder here or highlighter, and it is $95, but for 3 products, I think it's a good deal. And if you traveling, you must have this. Again, we have here highlighter, but I'm using this is my powder because it's a little bit dark for me. It's highlighter, and it's a color medium rose gold. It's a beautiful bronze, and I love this blush. Okay, let's start first with this lighter color. Will give me a glow, but not much, slightly a little bit yellow for me. This is why I using this is my powder. Give me little bit color. Now I'm gonna use this bronze, and I'm using Chanel brush, and this is powder brush. It's a small brush. They do have 2 versions. I love Chanel brushes. They are really good. This is your regular brush side, and it's a smaller size, and I love to use smaller side. Okay, it's my bronze, and I'm gonna apply right here, pushing up close to my hairline, right here underneath, pretty. And look at this size. It's a huge face palette. Again, $95 or $97. I'm gonna use right now this beautiful blush. Wow, so pretty. Love this color. Wow, I love my makeup. I just missed a little bit lip color. Okay, let's use Christian Dior lip liner number 772, and it's color classic, and I'm gonna apply this lip liner on entire my lips. Wow, I love my lips. It's only lip liner. 90 probably percent I always using just lip liner on my lips because my lip color will stay all day long. Look at this. This lip liner, it's like a lip stain. And all what I need, little bit lip maximizer. I'm gonna apply right here in the center. Will make my lips more full, more juicy, and I know this lip color gonna stay all day long. I hope you like this video. Please give me a like. It's mean a lot to me. I need your support. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.